my YouTube channel. My name is Roxanne and it is almost Christmas. Okay, it's not almost Christmas, but it's close enough, and I want to kickstart a whole little series of different Christmas recipes that I think would be perfect for this festive season, especially if you're hosting, or even if you're not hosting a party but you just want to do something special for the season. Now, I've already got a series on the channel. There's a playlist called Christmas or Vlogmas, I'm not sure which one. I'll link it down below. You could check out my previous recipes as well as vlogs that I've done decorating my tree and things like that if you want to get into the festive season. I have a fantastic recipe for a Christmas cake, for a stuffed chicken, some salad, sides, a whole bunch of stuff. So make sure to check that out as well, and stay tuned because this is just the first of what I'm hoping is a series of new recipes for this season. So today's recipe is a wonderful Christmas tree salad. It is just so much fun, and let's be honest, you could just plate this up like a regular salad, but I like to give it a slight seasonal twist. I've used ingredients that I think are really nice and festive, also stuff that I like, but if you want, you could customize it to things that you would like to put into your salad. So I really hope you enjoy this. If you do, as always, give it a big fat like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment and share it with all your friends. I always want to know if you guys enjoy this or not. I think you'll enjoy this. I'm a little bit excited. There's a whole bunch of recipes coming your way, so make sure to subscribe for sure. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy. Let's get cooking. Now this is a really simple recipe. You're not going to need too much. You will start with some chopped up lettuce. I've used two different kinds. You could mix it up or use any that you like. It doesn't really matter. You will need an entire orange, and then this is the dressing that I've pre-mixed. It's basically olive oil, salt, pepper, and then I've added a little bit of orange juice. I'm going to squeeze this entire orange and add more, as well as some orange zest. Then you're going to need some nuts and berries of your choice. I've gone with cranberries, walnuts, and pistachio. You could use any that you like. You're going to need a couple of slices of toast. I'll tell you what we'll do with that a little bit later. And then of course some fruit of your choice. I've gone with pears. You could do apples, oranges, anything that you like. So to my pre-made dressing, I'm just going to zest a little bit of the orange, and then I'm going to squeeze about half an orange and then pour that into my salad dressing. Mix it up a little bit. Taste at this point just to make sure that there's enough salt or pepper. If you want a little bit more or less, well, not less, but if you need more, you could add it at this stage. And then keep it aside and we'll get started on our salad. Now this is super easy. It comes together so quickly. To my chopped salad, I'm just going to add in all my nuts. So I start with some pistachio and then with some walnuts and then the cranberries. You could add as little or as much as you like. At this stage, I don't add all of it. I've just added a little bit at a time. I've also added in some of the chopped fruit. I've chosen pear, and then just drizzle over your dressing. You could actually just pour half of it, but I like to use a teaspoon and just drizzle it a little bit at a time. Mix it all together and then taste, just in case I need a little bit more, then I can keep adding it. Now, of course, you could just mix up the whole salad and present it as is, but I wanted to do something different and make it a little bit fun. So basically, I've taken a flat plate or a platter instead of a bowl, and I've just tried to arrange the salad on that. So a lot of the fruit and nut that we added in just sort of hangs at the bottom of the bowl, so don't worry, we'll add that in later. I'm going to start with the lettuce. I'm just trying to arrange it on the plate just to give it a more triangular shape so it looks almost like a Christmas tree. You can also just pile it into a nice big heap, but I find that this was a little bit easier. My piling skills weren't that great and it really looked anything but a Christmas tree. It looked like a Christmas bush, so I went with this instead. You just plate it up and try to style it to look almost like a tree. Now, once you've got the shape of your salad tree in place, you just drizzle on the ornaments, which is basically your nuts and your fruit. You just pop them all over to decorate it so that it looks a little bit like the decorations on the tree. Now, any good tree needs a nice stunning tree topper, and for this we're going to use a cookie cutter and our toast. I've basically chosen a star, not the big one but the small one to fit my tree, and you just cut out the shape of a star with your cookie cutter on that toast, so it's almost like you have a little crouton along with your salad. Here's a little pro tip: if you want to do this, I would suggest that you do it once the toast is hot and still a little bit warm. At least the minute it gets cold and it's been sitting for too long, it will not cut easily. So try and get this done first. You can of course butter this, you could toast it even more, less, whatever you'd like. I've just left it plain as is. It looks like a nice little ornament, and I placed that right on top of the tree. If you wanted to at this stage, you could drizzle on a little bit more salad dressing, but this is pretty much it. This is my Christmas tree salad. If you like, you could add more stars, more toast, more nuts, less fruit, or whatever you like really, but this is just it. It is adorable and such a fun thing to put on your Christmas table. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've got a lot more recipes coming soon. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, share this video with your friends, leave me a comment if you liked it, and I will see you guys very, very soon.